To take a screenshot on iPhone. There are four ways to take a screenshot on your iPhone. The first one is by home button and up volume button. Press simultaneously, press and hold. Volume up button and home button simultaneously press and take a screenshot. The second way is if you have already enabled Siri, then simply say, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot," and Siri will take a screenshot for your device. "Hey Siri, take a screenshot," and Siri will take a screenshot. The third one is go to settings, go to accessibility, and here tap on touch, and you will find at the bottom of the page back tap. Tap on it and enable back tap feature. Here you will find two options, double tap and triple. Tap on double tap and set a screenshot under double tap. Now double tap on your iPhone backside to take a screenshot. Simply from the backside, two finger and double tap simply, and it will take a screenshot. The next way to take a screenshot is only available in iPhone 15 with action button. Go to settings of your iPhone, shortcuts app of your iPhone, and here tap on plus icon from the top right corner and choose add actions. Here tap on media and scroll down, and under device tap on take a screenshot. Finally choose done, and a shortcut of take a screenshot will created here. Now close the windows and next tap on settings. Here go to action button and slide and go to shortcuts, choose a shortcuts, tap on it, and here choose take a screenshot which you have created recently. So screenshot from here. Now take a screenshot is successfully added with your action button. Now go to action button of your phone and press action button, and you will take a screenshot through action button on iPhone 15.